Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You may hear some shouting and everything. That's just my brother. No worries. Let's go to Green Lights. Guys, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications down below, and give me a big thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And if you're here, I'm so sorry. It's just crazy. So guys, this game is actually like... We're just a wolf, as you can tell. Hey, relax. Don't try biting me. I'm gonna run off now. What the heck? He just... And guys, look. I know this may be sad. Oof. I killed it. So sad. That's so sad about killing a rhinoceros. But let's look at the wolf. My dad might came in, so this guy's like, so, attack. I don't want to kill them, but I want to. I mean, I don't want to. Hey, oh my god. Take the other one. Just. Guys, I'm so sorry about that. That was so weird. As you can see, I completed a task. And there's tons over here, so this is nice. Not nice, actually. It's really not nice. What? Just leave me alone. Do it yourself. Man. What does it look like I'm doing? Trying to do it myself, exactly. I'm so sorry, little doo-doos. Was memory of it? Oh, what am I doing? I got 6 out of 11. We're gonna just not concentrate on that. I need to heal myself up. I'm just gonna leave these animals alone, to be honest. Come on, get me up. Rabbit, I'm so sorry. Boop. Guys, if you haven't seen my videos, you need it. Like, I placed some... Let's go to the waterfall down there. You see it? Level up. Rat. There we go, killed it. Is he following me? Yeah, he's following me. Okay, nice. Nice, I think we just made a friend. The water was course going, I think, gonna get deeper here. I'm not sure. Huh? What do you mean he does not exist? Huh? Did you just teleport? Are you okay, man? Chill. Okay guys, this video may not be long because we need to fix some problems. Can he stop? What's wrong with him? What? What's wrong? Oh. I think we made a friend, but not sure. What the hell? What's that? Dee-do-dee-do-dee-do-do. We're taking a shower. I can see nothing. We made it past. What do you want now? We look wet. Like, we look quite wet. Come. That's not him though. I thought it would be him. Let's go kill some of these. No, don't go. No. No. Don't do that, please. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm gonna have to go kill his... You trying to attack me? You're actually doing some damage. Some damage with his hands. Whoa, he killed him. I'm just healing myself up right now. Guys, give me 5 likes. I don't want much. Just 5 likes if you want more of this, okay? I'm fine if you don't like it. I'll just stop doing this. It's your choice, guys. If you haven't seen my music video, I did mix up a little bit about the part 1 and part 2, like I did it in a couple of other videos. I'm sorry if my spellings are like crazy and everything. I'm gonna have to end this video here. So bye. Love you so much, all of you. You're the best.